Alright, after comparing over 15 different robot vacuum cleaners, I found the 5 best robot vacuums for your home, ranging from budget-friendly options to premium models. Each one delivers strong suction, reliable navigation, and consistent cleaning. But there are also a few robot vacuums that look great online but don't perform well in real-world use. I'll tell you which ones to avoid later in the video. Let's start with number 5. At number 5, we've got the eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. This one is all about keeping things simple, quiet, and surprisingly powerful for the price. What really stands out first is the slim design. At just about 2.8 inches tall, it easily slips under beds, sofas, and cabinets where dust usually hides. And yeah, it runs quietly enough that you can let it clean while you're working, watching TV, or even sleeping without it becoming annoying. Cleaning performance is solid. It handles hard floors, tiles, and medium pile carpets with ease, and the Boost IQ tech automatically increases suction when it senses tougher spots. You don't have to adjust anything, it just figures it out and keeps going. Battery life is another strong point. You get up to 100 minutes of cleaning time, which is more than enough for small to medium homes. Once it's done, or if the battery runs low, it automatically heads back to the charging dock on its own. Navigation is simple but effective. Infrared sensors help it avoid obstacles and stairs, and the single side brush pulls dirt straight into the suction path instead of scattering it around. One thing to know, this model skips Wi-Fi and app control. Everything runs through the remote or the buttons on top, which honestly makes it perfect for anyone who just wants press and go cleaning without apps or setup headaches. At number 4, we've got the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot. And yeah, this one is made for people who want strong cleaning without overthinking things. It packs up to 70 times more powerlifting suction compared to older entry models, so everyday dust, pet hair, and crumbs don't stand the chance. The 3-stage cleaning system works across carpets and hard floors, and the edge sweeping brush actually pulls dirt out from corners instead of missing it. What really makes life easier here is the clear view LiDAR navigation. It maps your home quickly, cleans in neat rows, and smoothly avoids obstacles, while built-in sensors keep it from tumbling downstairs. Cleaning feels organized, not random. Using it is simple too. With the Roomba Home app, you can schedule cleans, target specific rooms, boost suction, or tell it to avoid certain areas. Spot cleaning is great for messes. It focuses on one area for up to 5 minutes. You can also control it with voice assistants, the app, or just press the button on top. And when the battery runs low, it automatically recharges and picks up right where it left off. No babysitting needed. At number 3, we've got the eufy C10 robot with self-emptying. Now this one is all about convenience, like real convenience. The big win here is the self-empty station. The robot automatically dumps dirt into a large 3-liter dust bag, which means you don't have to touch dust for up to 8 weeks. If you've got pets or just hate emptying bins, yeah, this feels great. Suction is strong at 4,000 pascals, so it handles pet hair, crumbs, and everyday mess on hard floors and low carpets without struggling. And that unique corner rover sidearm, it actually reaches into corners instead of just spinning near them, which makes a noticeable difference along walls and edges. Navigation is handled by LiDAR, so it maps your home smartly and cleans in neat paths instead of bouncing around randomly. You can schedule cleanings, customize rooms, or start it remotely using the app. The slim 2.85-inch design is another quiet advantage. It easily slides under beds, sofas, and desks where thicker robots usually get stuck. Plus, it runs fairly quietly and gives you up to 2 hours of battery life per charge. At number 2, we've got the eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This one is built for people who want truly hands-free cleaning without jumping into ultra-premium pricing. What makes it stand out is the all-in-one Omni station. It automatically empties the dustbin, washes the mop, and dries it using room temperature air. So well, once it starts cleaning, you barely have to think about maintenance. The transparent water tanks are a nice touch too. You can quickly see when it's time to refill. Cleaning power is no joke here. With 7,000 pascals of suction, it easily pulls up dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets. At the same time, the mop spins at high speed with strong pressure, helping lift dried stains instead of just wiping over them. Its 3.35-inch ultra-slim body is another big win. This thing actually slides under beds, sofas, and desks where thicker robots usually miss. And hair tangles? The Pro Detangle Comb actively clears the roller brush, saving you cleanup time. Battery life runs up to 132 minutes, which is enough for full apartment or medium home cleaning in one go. It supports app control and smart assistants, keeping everything simple. At number 1, we've got the eufy Robot Vacuum E25. And yeah, this one is a serious upgrade if you want truly hands-free cleaning. What makes it special is the HydroJet Roller Mop system. Instead of dragging a dirty pad around, the roller cleans itself twice every second, so floors stay consistently clean from start to finish. You don't need to stop, rinse, or babysit it. Now add the all-in-one base station and things get even easier. It handles self-emptying, self-washing, self-refilling, and hot air drying on its own. Basically, once it's set up, you barely touch it. Suction is no joke either. With 20,000 pascals of power, it pulls out fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors without struggling. And if you've got pets, the Duo Spiral Anti-Tangle brushes keep hair from wrapping around, so you're not cutting clogs every week. Edge cleaning is another win here. The corner rover arm reaches along walls and corners where most robots miss, giving you full coverage instead of leaving dusty lines behind. Navigation is smart and calm thanks to AI obstacle avoidance, so it recognizes shoes, cables, and furniture without bumping or getting stuck. Everything is controlled through the app or voice assistants, and once it learns your home, cleaning becomes very efficient. If you're still confused about which robot vacuum to pick, my overall recommendation is the eufy C10 Robot Vacuum with self-emptying. It offers the best balance of performance, convenience, and price. You get strong 4,000 pascal suction for daily dust, crumbs, and pet hair, plus a self-empty station that lets you forget about dirt for weeks. That's why it's the most well-rounded option here. Now you should avoid robot vacuums with very few reviews or ratings below 3 stars. They often look great on paper, but in real use, they struggle with navigation, weak batteries, and poor build quality. Another red flag is unclear brand support. If there's no proper app updates, no easy replacement parts, or no real customer service, even a cheap
which is one of
deal
the
can
lower
turn into a
scores
headache.
on record.